Welcome, fellow weirdos. I'm your host, Papa Za. Here at Weird Wild Pizza, we make weird pizza with wild sourdough. Check out the link below for our pizza dough recipe. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell to join the weirdest pizza quest in the galaxy. A loaded nacho pizza. Diced pepper. Diced onion. Diced tomato. Chili powder, cumin, salt, pepper, paprika, crushed red pepper flakes, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano. Nacho beef seasoning. Mix well. Orange pepper, onion, tomato, black olives, pickled jalapenos, salsa, sour cream, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, crush tortilla chips into bite-sized pieces, medium heat, add your cooking oil, add your beef, cook until no longer pink, and drain the excess fat. 1 cup water, add nacho seasoning, cook until water has evaporated and the beef is nice and saucy. Reserve 2 cups of nacho beef, flour, roll dough. Flour lightly is needed. Flour pizza peel, slide peel under dough. Salsa. Mozzarella cheese. Nacho beef. Cheddar cheese. Black olives, orange pepper, onions, pat down. Bake pizza at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Tortilla chips, tomatoes, sour cream, pickled jalapenos. Loaded nacho pizza. Loaded nacho pizza. Woo! Heavy duty. That's just like a giant plate of nachos on a pizza. It's so good. It's so good. Thanks for watching Weird Wild Pizza. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. If you got a pizza challenge, leave a comment below. And be sure to check out what's up next.